Hi there, and today we're going to have a Wix Studio text reveal animation tutorial. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and I have a section right here. So I will add a text right here. So let's just click on add elements. From here, using quick add, you can add a text using the title or a paragraph. So I'll just use the title. And then it is currently in black color, so we'll change this into white. Like that. And then now, we'll change the text into text reveal. Then I'll just make the size of this one bigger and just align it to the center. If you want to have a text reveal animation, you can just select the text and then using the inspector tool, open animations and effects. Click on scroll and then click on add and then just choose this one, the reveal animation. So click on adjust animation, and then as you can see, when I scroll over the website, the text automatically reveals itself. You can choose different directions such as from the bottom or from the top or from the left or from the right. So as you can see, if I choose the left animation, then when I click on preview, so whenever I scroll down to my website, we have this text automatically revealing itself. In order to make this more smooth or a more dynamic, what we can do is that we can select the text, we can duplicate it. So just right click, click on duplicate, and then from here, we will just remove this scroll animation. Then we will change the opacity. In this one, we'll change this to about 30%. Then what we're going to do is that we are going to align this text with our text above, so that when we click on preview and scroll down, we now have this revealing effect to our website. So we have this text that doesn't have a color, and then when we scroll down, we can see that it has that reveal animation. And then you can just play around with the different settings in the inspector tool if you want to change the look of your revealing animation. When we go here, make sure you're selecting the correct text. Then click on adjust animation, and then if you want to change this animation area. But this default animation is already good, so I don't need to change that. But that is it. I hope you learned how to add the text reveal animation in Wix Studio, and thank you for watching.